So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about a quick update in ChatGPT. So now with the help of ChatGPT we can surf to the internet as well. So if you are using GPT-4 or even GPT-3 3.5 Turbo, you must be aware of the fact that if you are using ChatGPT and if you write some prompt related to surfing to the internet, then the ChatGPT used to give the error or some kind of message like its information is limited till September 2021, right? But now here is a surprise for us from ChatGPT. So now it has provided us a beta feature of searching with Bing. So now the ChatGPT has eyes, nose, ear, mouth, whatever you can say. So now it can surf to internet, browse facts, browse news, and now you can create summaries of the news or whatever topic you might want to work. So let me take you to my computer screen to give you a brief intro about how you can access this feature and how you can give prompts so that you can use this feature in an amazing way. So alright guys, we are on our computer screen now. So first of all, the users who are using GPT 3.5, I want to tell you that if you go into settings, there is no such option of beta features. So sorry, but you can't access that. So if you are a premium user, then only you can access this feature of GPT-4. So let me take you to my GPT-4 account. Okay, here it is. So you have to go to settings and setting and beta features, and now it was off earlier, but now I have enabled it. You can enable it here, browse with Bing. Just look carefully, this is the option. Now after that, here is one more thing that you need to do. Just go on GPT-4 over here and take this option. Click on advanced data analytics, then this plus button will come over here. Means you can input images as well. This is some other update we are going to talk later. So first of all, browse with Bing. Okay, so now let's test it. Okay, provide me brief summary of India's cricket match of 28th of September. Oh sorry, please ignore the typos. Okay, so it is browsing the internet, trying something new, browsing cricket India schedule, browsing cricket business stand. Okay, so it's doing a lot of work over here. Detailed information, specific okay, I am unable to find the detailed information of India's cricket match on 28th September. Specific data might not be available on sports. Okay, so some top headlines, top news headlines of today. Okay, now let it is browsing to the internet again. So that animation is looking pretty cool. Top news headlines, here are some pretty good headlines. Okay, so boom guys, now you can access to the internet with the help of GPT-4, and here are few results, and you can customize them as you want. So now you can do a hell lot of things, and I think the world is yours. So just go on, buy the ChatGPT-4 subscription if you don't have. So now talking about another feature, that is now ChatGPT can analyze the images as well, and you can ask it questions. So let's just test it out. Now I am, instead of browsing with the Bing, I am using advanced data analytics. Going on attach file, and I am going on desktop. I actually saved few pictures. So yeah, image is this. Okay, let's see it gives the answer or not. Start displaying the content of image to understand its content. Okay, let's take a look. It is saying, okay, so the image appears to be a shopping cart or basket. Okay, so it is saying it is a shopping cart or basket. Okay, yeah, it resembles something like that. That's why it is saying. Okay, let's test it out for some logo or something. Okay, what should I search for? Okay, search for ChatGPT. Okay, just save this image. Okay, so now the real test arrives. I am going to ask ChatGPT about ChatGPT. So let's see. Attach button and this. Do you know? Sorry. You know whose logo is this? Okay, so now let's see. Does it provide us a response of GPT-4 logo or not? Okay, so it is saying it appears to be a GitHub logo. No, it's not like that. So it's a beta feature, and it might not work like what we want it to work like. If you are a user of Google Lens, then you can give it a try as well. And this is a beta feature. It is still under development stage. So yeah, it can give you errors. It learns from us as it is a machine learning model. So it will learn from its mistakes, and it is what it is. So just go on GPT-4. If you are using 3.5, just buy the premium of GPT-4 enable the beta feature of browsing with the Bing and advanced data analytics, and you can do whatever you want now on ChatGPT. So alright guys, that was quick demo of new features of ChatGPT from my side, and I hope you like this video, and you can follow me on socials as well, and I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.